tornado emergency for Miami. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for central Miami-Dade County and southeastern Florida until 4:45 a.m. At 4:15 a.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Homestead General Airport, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Miami. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Doppler radar has confirmed a large and destructive tornado moving slowly northeast, with a large debris signature having been left in its wake. Impact. You're in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Miami, Hialeah, Miami Beach, Homestead, Coral Gables, Key Biscayne, South Miami, Surfside, Homestead General Airport, the Redlands, Kendall, Virginia Key, North Miami, Doral, North Miami Beach, Pinecrest, Opa-locka, Miami Springs, Sweetwater, and Miami Shores. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.